Hi guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back. As promised you earlier, मैं आज आ चुकी हूँ दो प्रोडक्ट का रिव्यू लेके which are Good Vibes foaming face wash or cleansing foaming face wash. One is in Neem variant and this one is in coffee variant. So if you're interested and excited, then and also if you haven't yet subscribed, then subscribe, press the bell icon just beside the subscribe button. और वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को जरूर लाइक कर देना. And without further ado, let's get into the video. This is the first product, which is Good Vibes Neem foaming face wash. This is the packaging. This is a plastic bottle and the material of this is quite sturdy. This is also plastic, this cap, but इसका जो material है इसके कंपैरिजन में ये लेस स्टर्डी है. एंड हियर इज द पंप. इस पैकेजिंग पे मेंशन किया है नो पैराबेन्स, नो सल्फेट्स, नो मिनरल ऑयल, व्हिच इज अ प्लस पॉइंट. And let's move on to the price part. Okay, 150 ml of this product retails for rupees 215. And yes, ये बात है कि ये आपको शायद थोड़ा डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस में मिल जाएगा जब ऑफर चल रहा है. Now all these products are available only on purple.com या purple के वेबसाइट पे या purple के ऐप पे ही आपको ये मिलेगा. Expiry date of this product is 1 year from the date of manufacturing. Good thing about Good Vibes is that they have mentioned all the ingredients out there on their packaging. आजकल बहुत सारे brands they don't mention, they don't disclose all of their ingredients. They only mention some key ingredients on their packaging. But Purple and Good Vibes they have mentioned all their ingredients, like इतना ingredients भरा हुआ है. Also contains perfume and color. So if you're somebody who is allergic to perfume and don't want to apply anything which contains perfume and color, then you can avoid this product. My skin is oily combination skin around this time of the year. So इसको apply करने के बाद मुझे मेरे face पे कोई भी dryness नहीं लगा. And my mother is also using this. Her skin is normal. She also did not feel any sort of dryness after applying this product. Moving on to the next product, which is Good Vibes Coffee Foaming Face Wash. Now again, इसका भी जो packaging है वो plastic bottle में है and the cap is also plastic, but this plastic is quite sturdy than this. And again, this comes with a pump, same packaging like the earlier one. Moving on to the ingredients, they have mentioned all the ingredients again, and some of them are that I'm going to read out are purified water, decyl glucoside, then it has coffee arabica seed extract, then rosehip fruit oil. बहुत सारे oils हैं जैसे avocado oil भी है. There is argania, spinosa kernel oil, tea leaf का oil है. There is citric acid, there is color and perfume. तो इसमें color और perfume भी मिला हुआ है. Again, someone who is having problem with perfume can skip this. Talking about the fragrance part, yes, this has again very mild fragrance. बहुत ज़्यादा strong fragrance नहीं है, mild fragrance है. जो fragrance है वो बचपन के जो coffee candies होता था वैसा fragrance है. Yeah, I have oily combination skin, तो इसको लगाने के बाद मेरे फेस पे तो कोई ड्राइनेस नहीं आया. एंड ऑल्सो आई हैव रैशेस. मुझे इसको लगाने के बाद ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मेरे रैशेस को इसने काम किया है या वैसा कुछ मुझे चेंज नहीं लगा. बट डेफिनेटली इफ योर फेस इज डल तो इसको लगाने के बाद एक इंस्टेंट सा ग्लो आता है, क्लीन लगता है फेस. बट कॉफी जो है वो आपके स्किन को इवन आउट करने में हेल्प करता है. तो इसको लगातार यूज करने से मे बी दैट कैन हैपन. इट कैन इवन आउट योर स्किन या सनबर्न जो होता है, जो टैनिंग होता है. Guys, that's all in my today's video. If you like this video and find this video helpful, useful, and if you like this face, then please do subscribe and press the bell icon just next to it. And if you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up. Or stay tuned with me for more such review videos, and I will meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye and take care.